Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Many times you would have heard the word dollar index. Many times in television they will say, today the dollar index is below 93, therefore our market is likely to go up and so on. What is the relation between dollar index and our stock market? That I will do in my next video. In this video, we will discuss what is dollar index. Dollar index is just an index that shows the relative strength of the dollar, the relative strength of the US dollar against a basket of currencies. It is a basket of 6 currencies: Euro, Japanese yen, Pound sterling, Canadian dollar, Swedish krona and Swiss franc. These are the countries which are doing the maximum trading with US, and the percentage weightage is also based on the trading volume with these countries. Euro has 57.6 percentage weight, Japanese yen has 13.6 percentage weight, Pound sterling 11.9, Canadian dollar 9.1, Swedish krona 4.2, Swiss franc 3.6. This index was started in 1973, but during the last 50 years, the changes have been made only once. Earlier, it was a German currency which was in the index, and later that was replaced by euro, because in 1973 there was no euro. And in fact, the people say now the US dollar index is not the true reflection, and because now US trades more with China, South Korea, Mexico and Brazil than their trade with Sweden and Switzerland. So many people suggest that the index has to be changed once again. Simply speaking, if the dollar index is below 100, that means the dollar is weakening against the basket of currencies. And if it is above 100, the dollar is strengthening. In fact, in 1985, the dollar index went up to 165. During the Lehman Brothers collapse in 2008, it went to a low of about 70. And now it is trading around 93. So whenever it is trading 93 or below, we can expect Indian stock market to be moving higher. When the dollar index is moving higher, we can expect our markets to go down. Why? What is the relationship between dollar index and our markets? That we will see in the next video. Thank you for watching.